Get ready to crank it up! We have a minimum of 3 emergency kits, 1 in each vehicle and 1 in the house. But putting radios in each one of those packs
is a little bit financially daunting.
Until now.
We have here the CM Homeware amfm dual band radio. They're awesome.
They're amazing.
They're fantastic.
They're incredible.
They're mind-blowing.
And they're $7 at Silver Sands in Dartmouth and other dealers of questionable quality material.
Off AM, FM, volume, and your channel selector, and a little antenna, and a headphone jack.
Ah, the Paolas. I believe Bob Rock's first band, or one of his first bands, his first successful band, went on to become one of the greatest music producers on the planet.
Once I bought an old house in the country, and I looked out my window and there was a surprise for me. There's bunnies in my yard, there's bunnies in my yard. They're hopping all around but they never go far. There's bunnies in my yard, there's bunnies in my yard. And these are the bunnies I know. Yeah, early in the morning, I look out my window, and there to my surprise were some ducks I know. Yeah, there's duckies in my yard, duckies in my yard. They're quacking all around, but they never go far.